We are not mechanics. Please watch only for entertainment purposes. Everything we do or say is most likely wrong, dangerous, or plain stupid. Don't let Dave's good looks sway your judgment. Don't let Juan's rugged exterior make it seem like he knows what he is talking about. I mean, even our name, Unhandy Mechanics, is an oxymoron.
Oxymoron.
Hey, hold up. You can't do that. That is a diss. I ain't no oxymoron, all right?
That should tell you everything you need to know about us. Oh, like and subscribe.
All right, we finally got the Eclipse in here to do some work on the Eclipse.
First time.
Yeah. I was gonna do a simple oil change. I need an oil change extremely bad. So, I'm gonna lift the front, put on jack stands, and then we'll go underneath. High mileage, Valvoline 10W30, full synthetic. Mobile One oil filter. I got some new crush washers for the oil pan bolt, and that should be it. So should be simple. Should be.
With us doing it?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
We'll see.
Slow? What do you mean slow?
Slow, quick, slow. Okay, that's on there as a backup. I think that's pretty good, right?
Yes, sir. It didn't move at all.
Yeah, it seems like it's fine. It's gonna push that a little bit, but I'm okay with that.
Alright, I just wanted to show you.
Nah, I appreciate it. Like, I'm not trying to. Yeah, I saw somebody put it on sideways. Like, to me, I get it, the weight of the car, but I don't know, that's weird to me. Got the Eclipse jacked up. Show you the jack points. In the front bumper. I mean, there's two, I guess, technically. Right there, that's pretty flat, but I do it right there. It's literally from those two big bolts right there. Can't miss it. Got it on jack stands. All right, we got everything situated. I gotta pop the hood. Ah, you know what? I got something else to put in. I forgot. Guaranteed to add 5 horsepower to your car.
5?
Guaranteed.
That's pretty significant.
I got a new, because look, if you check the oil,
Oh.
I need to get that out. So, let's do that. But obviously first, before you, gotta open up the oil can. Open that up. And then we'll go down, crack the 17mm bolt, drain the oil.
Did you say go down?
If you want to be charitable. We got, hopefully, which is the OEM, at least that's what they said on eBay. It's the OEM one. So let's see, hopefully. Stay. Oh, oil's perfect. Yep, exactly where it needs to be. That's perfect. This is the same size.
Yeah, it looks right.
Yep, perfect. All right, cool. Some dipstick. Bada bing. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I mean,
Sexy.
just the color alone is 5 horse.
Oil filter. And then back here. Not as far back as I thought we had to go, so that's pretty cool. There's a 17 there. Yes.
Breaker bar like is more leverage to it's fucking tight like a fucking wheel lug.
Yeah, let me get the WD-40 real quick. Sorry, bro.
No, you're good.
Jesus Christ.
Let's see. That feels awesome.
Never thought I'd be using WD-40 on a fucking You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking...
For the oil.
This can't be fucking real life.
That was a pain in the ass. It's that leverage, bro.
I can get you out of here.
How's that? The keys run off.
I helped build these cells. These are half-pin barrel hinges. With the right leverage.
That's stupid. Freaking amazing. You can save
This
us.
thing saved us like 16 times. This is the real All-Star.
Now the oil's trickling. Okay, good. That's just on like it's supposed to be. Alright, get a little bit of the fresh oil. Be nice and gentle. This fresh oil right on the bead. Alright, they say just hand tight. It's my left hand, but that's about as tight as it's gonna get. We put a new crush washer. It's suggested to always change it when you change your oil. Alright, let's put this back on. We're definitely not gonna put it on as tight as whoever the hell did it before. Yeah, jerk. Alright, let's tighten this up now. And then fill it up with oil, and that should be it. How to not to tighten your bolt too tight. Which obviously I have a bad habit of doing, so let's try not to.
You're basically yelling at yourself.
Yeah, I know, I am yelling at myself. That's as much as I'm tightening it. I'm gonna wipe it down again, so hopefully if there's any leaking, we will know. So I tighten the bolt, right?
Yep.
Tighten the
Filter.
filter. Now I gotta fill this beast. I think it's supposed to take it all, but I'll check it.
So it's just a
Right
little bit.
there. Okay, so we'll probably add the other bit, and I think we're good, right?
Yeah.
It's very dainty. Bada bing.
Bada boom.
And that is oil change done. First of many things for the Eclipse, right?
Yep.
That was much needed too.
It is done.
I was about to do the Lion King thing.
Oh.
It's funny you just did that. It is done. It is time. Alright, cool.